Hi, pop artists! Today we're going to learn how to make bubble letters. Those big, bold letters used in comics, they are pop words. They look like they're popping out of the picture, and they have a lot of energy behind them. Let's talk about letters. These are all some A's. Some are capital and some are lowercase, but they all look different, don't they? That's called fonts. There are tons of different fonts, different ways to write any of the letters. Bubble letters are a type of font. They are big and puffy, just like these. You want to know how to draw them? First, you lightly draw your letter in pencil. Then you start drawing around the letter. You can make the outside lines look round, pointy, even wavy. Let's look at what our friends are doing and see if we can try it too. Wow, that looks like fun. I'm going to go try my name right now. What about you? How will you use your letters? Have fun, friends, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please visit our website and remember to like and subscribe. Thanks. See you next time.